In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component set in Figma in less than 2 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their design workflow by utilizing the power of components. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Figma. It's a collaborative interface design tool that allows you to work seamlessly with your team, make edits in real time, and create marvelous designs. Once you've navigated to the website, the next step is to log in. This wouldn't take much time, and you're likely already familiar with the process if you've used Figma before. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to your home. This is where you manage all your projects, and you can see both your recent files and shared documents. It's like the control hub for all your design activities. Take a moment to get familiar with what you see on your screen, as navigating is key to an efficient workflow. Now let's head over to the design section. Click on that, and you should find yourself in a canvas environment where your creativity can really take off. The design area in Figma is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll create, tweak, and perfect your elements. As you enter this space, imagine what components you want to create and how they will serve your design needs. Here's where the fun begins: creating your elements. In Figma, elements can be anything you design, from buttons and icons to larger UI components. Start drawing or placing your elements on the canvas. Think about reusable items that would benefit from being turned into components. Once your elements are ready and designed to your satisfaction, we'll move on to transforming them into components. Next, we need to take an action. You'll see the action button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is packed with options that give you control over your design elements. It's an essential part of Figma's versatility, so take note of the various actions you can perform later on. For our specific task, we're interested in the Create Component option. Select your elements and click on Create Component from this drop-down menu. This action generates a component from your selected elements, turning them into a single reusable asset that can be used across your design projects. And there you have it, you've successfully created a component set in Figma. These newly created components can streamline your future projects, allowing you to maintain consistency across various designs with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and experimenting with Figma's features. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in expanding your design capabilities in Figma. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and insightful tutorials. Have a great day designing.